The year 2026 for the Haiyang Oriental Spaceport began with a seaward roar on January 16th, as the Series 1S Haiyang 7 rocket blasted off from the Shandong coast. Li Jun is leading his crew in final preparations for an imminent launch. While sea-based launches offer greater flexibility than land-based ones, they demand more from both the ship and its navigators.
This unique equipment on the launch vessel is the dynamic positioning system. It automatically holds the ship in position as commanded, especially in deep sea, maintaining the location within 3 to 5 meters of precision. We also reinforce and maintain the vessel to ensure the safety of both the ship and the rocket for stormy weather.
Model, enabling rockets to launch right after production, and the company Aerospace and its rocket stand out. The rockets we usually stop at the company, workers are preparing for the latest launch in the first half of this year.
We are now securing the cables, which act as the rocket's nervous system, running through all its systems to provide signal output and power transmission. We use fiberglass tape to wrap and protect them. Since cables run throughout the entire rocket, a short circuit anywhere could jeopardize the launch. What you see here is the rocket's fairing, essentially the clothing for the satellite, protecting it as it passes through the atmosphere.
And after their work, before launch, the well-assembled rocket will depart from this facility to the port for final vertical assembly.
Rockets assembled at our AIT center and then can be moved to the vertical assembly facility at the launch port within just 1 to 2 hours, and then moved onto the launch vessel. The entire process, from assembly to launch, takes about a week, enabling a weekly launch pace. Theoretically, this enables a weekly launch frequency, which is highly beneficial for satellite constellation deployment and rapid response to urgent missions. In space launch, after all, it's always a race against time.
Beyond the rocket base, Haiyang also hosts satellite companies such as the Star AI, the developer of China's new intelligent remote sensing constellation, Oriental Smart Eye Constellation 4. Its first operational satellite, Yantai 2, was launched from Haiyang.
In 2026, we plan to launch 2 hyperspectral satellites. Later this year, we also plan to launch several high-resolution optical satellites to further enhance the constellation's coverage and capacity. Internationally, the Constellation has established partnerships with more than 110 organizations across over 40 countries. For example, Star Vision Company has already manufactured and delivered 1 satellite for Oman.
In recent years, space infrastructure has accelerated rapidly, and China is working harder to launch more satellites to support global networks, with flexible and safer commercial sea launches providing a key boost.
Our Oriental Spaceport complements China's existing launch capabilities in trajectory and latitude, boosting access to space. We have achieved breakthroughs in key technologies, including rocket exhaust management and a maritime safety monitoring system. In 2026, the port will focus on sea-based liquid rocket launches and strengthen its integrated commercial space ecosystem, driving high-quality growth in the sector.
For a domestic commercial liquid rocket here, marking a new chapter for China's commercial space industry. And the yellow sea behind me is now being transformed into a new starting point towards the stars.
Jelajahi cara baru mendapatkan informasi. Download Metro TV Extend sekarang.